Thank you very much, Mr. Amrinder Vimudi. And it's a big day for, I guess, for you. First of all, before I ask you about how you feel about it, can you just explain to our viewers the significance of Sengol and the history behind it?
Thank you for having me on your channel, and very happy to tell you that as a part of the family, and it's a great moment for our family and for our country. And this Sengol has actually come from this part of the country, which is makes us even more proud. The significance of a Sengol is it's a rule of the land. So whoever is ruling over the land has the Sengol, and the significance is that a lot of people could come and go, but the Sengol always remains the same. It's just to remind the person who's actually ruling it, the previous person ruled it with justice and with the right ethics. You should also do it with the same way.
And what are the parts of the Sengol? Because I believe there's a Nandi there. I was just looking at one of the pictures. So if you could just explain to our viewers what are the different parts and what each of it signifies. And if you have an idea, I'm sure you do, how it was made, how many people were involved in making it, and when was it made?
The Nandi has totally three parts. The scepter has three parts. The top part is the Nandi. The bottom part, which is it's a little bit more bulged, which has the Lakshmi Ji on it. And below that, it has a nice twining design to finish the rest of the bottom. The Nandi is for justice. You would have also seen people in a Shiva temple. You know, they'll go and tell their wishes to the Nandi, and the Nandi tells it to Shiva, and it comes true. So it's also a part of that. And below that, we have the Lakshmi Ji, just to show us prosperity.
And so I'm told it's made out of silver, but it's gold plated. So how many carats of gold? Yeah.
This is still made out of gold, and the entire thing is made of 22 carat of gold. And it will probably weigh around, what, say, 800 to a kilo of gold.
And it's in, and your family, of course, has been involved. Your family tree is involved. Have you got to see it? Have you gone there to see it? Do you have an idea of the history behind it? And when was a particular year when it was made? Yeah.
It was made in 1947. It should have maybe 30 days before the independence. The order had come in, and my grandfather and his brothers together have executed the job and then given it to the government. The design had come from the Adhinam in Tiruvadadurai. So the significance of all of this is known by the Adhinam, which is a mutt. It's a Shaivite mutt there.
Yes.
So they have given us the design, and we have executed the job and given it back to the government.
Have you ever gone to have a look at it yourself? Because it's in Allahabad Museum.
Yes.
No.
I had not gone to look at it, but a few of people of our team, when we first discovered it was there in Allahabad, two of my team members had gone to Allahabad and seen the Sengol, and we were actually very excited. And we also confirmed this was the Sengol because there was a Tamil inscription on the Sengol. And it actually signified as to what this was, when it was given, to whom it was given, and why it is given also. So it's very clearly mentioned in Tamil. So when our people went there, we were able to find out this was the right piece that we were looking for.
Amrita, have there been orders since the news broke out that it's going to be a part of Parliament? Have people coming to you with interest? Do they want to get a replica made for themselves as well?
I'm sure a lot of people will be having that interest. But as an organization, we've decided not to do a replica of this for commercial purposes, but for our own purpose and for people to have a better look at it. We made one replica, but I don't think so we'll be doing anything for a commercial purpose, because it's a very significant part of thing, and it's with our government, and it should be the one of a kind, and it should not be replicated at all.
And are you happy when you first heard the news, when it was announced, for example, by the Home Minister, that Sengol is going to be a part and pride of place inside the Parliament? As someone whose family has been associated with it, and someone who's from Tamil Nadu and a Tamilian himself, are you proud? And as an Indian also, what were your first feelings?
Overwhelming. What else can I say? It was we are out of words to know something that my grandfather, our family had done, and now it will be the pride of the Parliament. And the Home Minister has spoken in such length about this Sengol. Really, the importance is now it's got its actual worth, and it's got its importance right now, the Sengol. For
And
so many
you would
years,
of course want to be a
yeah,
you would of course want to be a part of the proceedings.
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. So hope to see you, and thank you very much. I must say it's really, really beautiful. So we can understand. So we'll have a slice of Tamil Nadu as of other states as well inside a parliament. But thank you very, very much for speaking to CNN News 18.
Thank you so much. Thank you.